So now we're going to look at the role of each hormone, as we had already looked at the endocrine gland that would secrete the hormone. Now we are going to look at the role of each hormone, and this is what you need to remember. So the hypothalamus secretes ADH, and as I had mentioned, ADH is responsible for water balance, or you can say osmo regulation. So it is responsible for making sure that the water levels in your body are regulated at normal levels. And then you have your pituitary gland that secretes the growth hormone. The growth hormone is responsible for the growth, and the target organ, of course, is the bones. You also have your TSH, your thyroid stimulating hormone, which basically works hand in hand with the thyroid gland, and I will speak more on that. Then you have your follicle stimulating hormone, which stimulates a follicle in the ovaries, so it works hand in hand with the female ovaries, as well as the luteinizing hormone. And then you have prolactin, which of course for the production of milk after giving birth. And then we go to the thyroid gland, which is of course stimulated by TSH. So TSH is going to stimulate the thyroid gland, and then the thyroid gland will secrete the thyroxine, which is responsible for the metabolic rate in the body. Metabolic rate refers to cellular respiration, how fast can your glucose be broken down and produce energy, as well as oxygen. So you should remember that as well. Then you also have your pancreas. Here's your pancreas here. Now your pancreas is responsible for secreting glucagon and insulin. So pancreas is responsible for glucose regulation, or your sugar level in the blood sugar level. We refer to it as blood sugar level. Blood sugar levels. So glucagon increases the blood sugar level, while insulin decreases the blood sugar level, and I'll speak more on that. Then you also have your ovaries. Now in the ovaries, you have estrogen, of course, which is responsible for ensuring that the developing follicle increases in growth, and progesterone, as you had learned, it maintains pregnancy as well. So these two hormones, you are fully aware of their roles. Then as well as the testosterone there, which is also playing a role in spermatogenesis, the development of the sperm cells. So those are the roles of each. Then next I will focus on the target organs of each hormone. Since a hormone is secreted, let's look at this. Maybe I can just indicate, for instance, here's your endocrine gland. An endocrine gland is going to secrete a hormone, and the hormone is going to be secreted directly to the blood, and this hormone will be transported by the blood to the target organ. So this flow, we should understand it. For instance, let's have a look at which one can I make an example of here. ADH. So ADH is secreted by the hypothalamus, right? Then hypothalamus secretes this ADH. ADH will therefore go into the blood, and the target organ is the kidneys, and it will do something to the kidneys there. So we will look closely into that in the next video.